In a 7-2 decision, the United States Supreme Court is allowing the Trump administration to remove humanitarian parole status from several 100,000 immigrants in the United States. This has been making its way through the courts, and this is not a final decision. This is one of those, what do we do while we're deciding the case kind of decisions. The order was unsigned with no justification. That is typical in such a case. Justices Jackson and Sotomayor dissented. Humanitarian parole is a program where migrants from countries facing instability can enter the United States and secure work authorization, but they have to have a private sponsor to take responsibility for them. This is different than temporary protected status. That came into effect earlier when the justices said that the Trump administration could remove deportation protections from 350,000 Venezuelan immigrants. They had been allowed to remain in the United States under the TPS program because of instability in their home country. We don't really have any final determinations from the Supreme Court on these issues yet, either tariffs or immigration or any of the other stuff that Trump has been sued for. All of these cases are just what do we do while the cases make their way through the courts. So they're temporary injunctions, temporary restraining orders, and the like. Should have said preliminary injunctions. The order from a court the other day regarding Trump's tariffs was a final decision on the merits, and that will then go through the appeal process to the Federal Circuit and then likely the Supreme Court. But most other cases haven't gotten that far yet.